Hey guys, welcome back to War on Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you that needs a rear window motor replaced on a Hyundai Sonata. If you want to see how to replace it, how to remove it, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain how to do it now. So first step, right here under the door handle there is a cap that we need to go ahead and pry open. So check it out, comes out, okay, just like that. Under that cap there is a hidden screw right here with a Phillips screwdriver. Now let's go ahead, okay, open another hidden cap right here in the door handle. You go there in the hole and you pry it open with a flathead screwdriver, comes out. I'm trying to go ahead and see if I can, okay, if I can focus so you can see, okay, where we are. Now on top we're removing the screw. The moment we remove that screw, we need to switch to the other one. This door panel is pretty simple, guys, but once in a while when you remove them you may break clips. Why? Because clips, okay, will be exposed to hot climate, let's say cold as well. That makes the plastic fragile, so eventually they can break. So what I would recommend, okay, if you break a clip, replace it. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get door panel replacement clips for a really good price, and that way you won't have that rattly door panel, okay, because that's I just hate when vehicles rattle, guys, and most of the times will be because of something like that. Panel removal tool, go under somewhere, okay, and okay, you start prying it open. Once you do that, okay, 1 second, okay, here, okay, we need to remove that cap first, guys, okay, before we leave the panel, because that panel will need to slide up. So that cap, okay, we will need to go ahead, okay, probably on this side right here, go underneath it and pry it open. Perfect. It has only 2 friction clips, okay, one here, one there. They go in these holes. Now we can go ahead, okay, and lift that panel all the way up. Oh, another thing, one more screw, guys, hidden. That's why it's a good thing to always watch, guys, until the end, because if you don't, okay, you can see what can happen, okay. And let's see if we can open, okay, this one and see how we're going to get it out. So right here we need to open that cap. Okay, and right here another screw, guys, little bitty Phillips screwdriver screw. So 3 screws, that's crazy. The front door panel has only 2, the rear has 3 on this car. So let's go ahead, remove that one. Okay, it will come with that plastic cap. Perfect. Now you can pry, guys. So first remove all 3 screws, then start prying, okay, because okay, otherwise, okay, you can break things. Now some of the clips will fall apart and you will see that. What we need to do next, right here, those are the cables, okay, for locking and unlocking the car and opening. All you have to do, press to the front here, they come in an angle, okay, and you pull them out. You can see just like that. So now another one is the window switch cable. Press down and release it and the door panel came out. Now let's explain here about the clips, okay, how many clips you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 broken, 9 here. Now that broken one is right here. We can get a clip removal too. This one probably was replaced. Okay, let's go ahead. I cannot do it with the left hand. This one broke, we need to install a new one. Okay, this one is the wrong type of clip. I think somebody replaced it, okay. That chewed all the way to the back. So all we have to do, get a new clip, install it on the door panel later and push it in. So once you remove the rear door panel, it's pretty simple, guys. Look at it now. Okay, that right here is your window motor for the rear window. So all you have to do is disconnect the wire. That's a simple motor, guys. Okay, it's not the one that's usually the smart ones that go up and down on its own with one click. Okay, this one is just on and off practically. You have only 2 wires and those are super easy to test as well. We have a special video that explains how to test them. and how to fix a window motor that does not work. So check it out. Now, when you remove it, sometimes you may need to actually bring the window all the way down. Sometimes the window may go down a little bit, so be careful, okay, because the motor will not be holding it. So just go ahead and pull it out. And this is your rear window motor. If your rear window doesn't work, it's very likely that you have a bad window motor. If you hear noises coming out of the window, but the window doesn't move, you have a bad window regulator, and we'll have a special video that explains how to replace that one as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.